Community Action Trust, together with our partner organizations, is guided by compassion and a responsibility to care for those who are most vulnerable. For many people, life has come to a standstill, not because hope is gone, but because the practical support needed to move, to connect, and to live with dignity is no longer there. These are people who have lived full lives, people who have given, worked, and cared for others, now waiting quietly, often unseen. Sometimes compassion takes a very practical form. The right equipment can restore independence, rebuild confidence, and remind someone that they still belong. That is why we are preparing a 40-foot container filled with essential mobility and medical equipment through our partnership with Wheels to Heal. For those waiting, this is not a luxury. It is not an extra. It is the chance to move again. The equipment is ready, and with your support, it can reach the people who need it most. Together, we can make that possible.